Hey there, today we're going to look at Xactly Incent tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, log in to your Xactly Incent account. Over here, enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Then, take a moment to view your main summary page, where you can see your compensation details. After that, go to the My Plan section. Over here, review your compensation plan, targets, and rules so you understand how your earnings are calculated. Then, move to the My Credits tab. Over here, check the credits you've earned from sales activities. After that, review the details to see how each credit contributes to your commission. Then, open the My Commissions section. Over here, view your commission statements. After that, check payout amounts, adjustments, and any additional notes. Then, use the filters to sort by period or plan if needed. After that, go to the My Reports section. Over here, run simple reports to understand your performance better. Then, download any report you want to keep for your records. After that, explore your notifications. Over here, check updates related to approvals, payouts, or changes in your plan. Then, open settings if you need to update your profile information. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.